Today is the official last day that we will ever be moving this RV, and that's because we are moving into a house, and we actually move in tomorrow, which is absolutely insane. And guys, I haven't even seen what the inside of our house looks like. I don't even know what the outside, the inside, the rooms, I haven't even gone to this house to see what it looks like. My parents did with my sister, so me and my brother, we have no idea what this house even looks like. It's insane, it's crazy. We have like 3 hours to pack up before we have to leave out of here, so let's see if we can do it. Nothing is packed up. Like, this is our back room right now. It's horrible. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to pack up an RV, or what, I don't know, guys. What's crazy is right now we are all sharing this whole room. How many feet is this, Mom?
It's about 8 feet by 10 feet. No, 12.
And that's like bigger than our rooms. Our rooms are bigger than this right now. So right now we are all three living in this, but in one day we will each have our own room that is bigger than the room that all three of us have been living in. My mom's most excited about laundry. But we actually have like 6 bikes, right? 6 e-bikes. And everybody's always asking, where do we put the e-bikes and stuff? We actually put them in our bedroom when we travel. And then I can't really put my bed down, but it's fine, like if we sleep and stay over something or do like a long journey or something. But we have 6 bikes that we all put in the back of our bedroom. The room is spotless. It's ready for the bikes to come in. Bikes are back there. Let's see out here. So someone has to do the dishes, and this is like kind of clean. And then out here, we have the whole entire tent that we have to do. Oh my gosh. Everything in here. And then we have the fence. Oh my gosh, that's my baby. We have the fence and still a lot to do. This is what it looks like when the back is fully packed up with the bikes. That's crazy. Sorry guys, I've been packing so much stuff up. I'm so tired. Let's look outside. The clam's gone. The fence is out. We cleared out, I think, yeah, everything underneath the RV. Oh my gosh, we have been here, I think, for what, like 4 months. It's crazy. No, we've been here longer, like maybe, I don't know, but I'm so excited that we finally get to move. Yes, we're moving into a house tomorrow, guys, and this is our last ever time moving the RV. And this is what happens when we put our slides in. Mom, go. You gotta press a button on here and it all moves in. Roxy, what's happening? Wait, I'm stuck. Wait, guys, I'm stuck. Hold on. I don't think I can get out. Wait, so this is what happens every time. And wait, and that one's put in too. This one's put in too. So, yeah, this is the how much space we have to walk by and stuff. We just left Margaritaville for good. We are never seeing Margaritaville again. We are actually all ordering stuff for our rooms right now. We see the house tomorrow. Me and Ryder see the house tomorrow because we've never seen it before. But this is what it looks like to have the RV on the back. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Yep. This is our last ever travel day that we will do. That's crazy. We are officially at our last RV park that we will ever be at, guys. That is crazy. That last RV park that we'll ever be at with this RV. This is how our room is currently looking, and I have to put my bed down, and I'm gonna have like this much space to sleep in, but it's a good thing I'm not claustrophobic. Like, let's actually see how much space I have. But we are not emptying this out. Let's hit the box. I might have to move some stuff first. We have to move those boxes and those chairs, because I want to sleep in my bed for the last night ever sleeping in the RV. That's crazy. Last night ever sleeping in the RV. It's the next morning. This is what the room's looking like. I don't even want to show out there, but we're about to go pick up a U-Haul because we need somehow to transfer all this stuff. And at 2, what time is it? 11:14. At 1 to 2 is when we could get the keys. So that's super exciting. We're gonna go get the U-Haul right now, and yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go get the U-Haul. And I want to try and ride in the back. Let's try and ride in the back. Wait, watch out. Our door just broke, which means it's a sign to leave. That we gotta get out of the RV now.
So we gotta be careful with the door, guys.
I haven't been filming that much because it's been very chaotic, but yeah. Both sides of us, we're getting one. Oh my gosh. We're riding in the back, right? We're riding
Go
in the
out.
back. No, I'm not going out. He's just checking in.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Your eyes look nice here. Wait, look at me.
Oh. Shotgun and you all. What are the keys going to, guys?
Oh. Wait, which one is it? This one? Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited for you all. I've never seen you guys so excited for.
Wait, can we open the back?
Yeah, let's do it when we get to the RV.
Okay. Let's get in. Okay, we're gonna stop by Walmart and get some boxes. But I always want to know, like, is that like a gold mining guy? I don't really know. Are you all guys? Oh my gosh. Everything that we own will be in the back of that truck in approximately like 9 hours. No, like, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know how my grandma and grandpa could have spent 5 days driving in here for, like, in the middle of summer through Texas, Vegas, Florida. That's crazy. It smells like smoke in here.
It smells like old, sweaty guys in here.
But yeah, we're gonna
I
stop
can't imagine Grandma spending
and
5
go
days
get some
in the city.
boxes. And they want to do it again. It's official. Wait, Dad, how many days do we have this for?
Good. What are you doing?
Dad, how many days do we have this rented for?
Just give me 1 second.
Oh. He's very stressed right now. Be right back, guys. I don't want to waste my storage.
Okay, so I'm gonna back up.
6, 7 is how it's done.
Part right here.
Yeah. Okay, Dad, this is how much closet room you would have. Look how many hoodies I have. So, guys, yeah, it's like all the way down, and this was full. We couldn't even open it, and that's how much room there is now. So, I don't even think I fit this in my first box, low-key. I'm doing purses and hoodies, or I was supposed to do that for the first one, but I don't know if this is fitting in a box, so we're gonna see. Okay, we're all good. Anyways, this is my third bin, I think, and this is just gonna be like everything. Like right now I have my bed down, because if you guys can see on the side of my bed, I have a bunch of little bins and stuff. I've done every single one of my hoodies, and I've also, oh my gosh, it's hot. And what else have I done? Oh, I've done my hoodies and one pair of shoes and my purses, and they're one of these. I don't know why I've packed every single box upside down. It's actually weird. This is like my jewelry kind of, and I taped those up. No, I didn't tape that one out, but I taped those up. And there's more. Don't get the dogs, bro. My bedding is gonna go in this one. Ryder is doing his clothes right now. This is all of Skylar's like miscellaneous stuff. And yeah, I haven't even done my clothes yet. It's gonna be a long day, but I think we're going to go get the keys soon. But yeah, aren't we supposed to get the keys? What time is it?
At 1:30, we're supposed to.
At 1:30. Right now it's 1:39. Why aren't we there?
Wait, Mom.
My bed is officially as bare as a butt cheek. Nothing over here. Nothing underneath. This was my last packing stuff. I gotta get a whole new box for that. But this is what my bare butt cheek bed looks like. It's very sad, but actually right now we have to go see the house. So we're about to leave. So sorry guys, I'm like really tired and exhausted and overdone. So here's the thing. We started off as friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend. But here's the thing. So we went to the house, but I want to show you guys at the house at the end. So I didn't film anything. Anyways, I've been a busy little bee. Oh my God, what's happening? And I cleaned out this whole area, guys. Besides the clothes on top, this whole area is clean. All of this, I literally only have to do my clothes left and a little bit of this. It's been a long day at work because, guys, look at my feet. Ew. And I was wearing Crocs too. Ew. So that's how it shows you it's been a long day. This is how our U-Haul is looking so far. Dad, it's getting full.
No, who would have thought it? I didn't think we'd be doing this much. We almost got a smaller one. I'm glad we didn't.
I know. The bikes are, we didn't even unload the front of the RV yet. Which is like straight boxes and stuff. I just have to do my clothes, probably. Do we have any more boxes?
Yeah, these are all ready to go.
Okay, I'll take this one. I'll put my clothes in it.
Just real quick.
My oh my gosh, he's running with his school book. My clothes are like kind of organized, but I don't really care. This is my technique. Ready? Grab it. throw it in there because I don't even care anymore. I just want to get it done. So that's my technique. Okay, this is what fit in my 2 drawers. It's like more than half my arm length. And yeah, Mom, did you think that many clothes was sitting in my drawer?
Oh my God,
it's a whole large box. It's that size right there, guys. So yeah, I guess we're good. That's all trash so far. And then we have another bag somewhere too. We're so close, guys. I actually need a shower so bad. Like, it's bad. I need a shower because it's so sweaty here because we're in Florida. No, but I'm so excited. Like, maybe an hour more. We're like 60% done. Oh my gosh. I took another massive break and I cleaned up my whole parents' room. And I think I got 4 boxes out of their room. So 4 more boxes done. We're actually like we still have these boxes like for food and stuff. And this is how the kitchen's looking. But yeah, those are our beds. I don't know if I showed you guys that with like no mattresses. Our thing's getting really full. We have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 5 more feet of room. Till this is no. Dad! Oh my God, no, cause no. Yeah. God, stop, Ryder, stop. I'm gonna deal with the situation for a minute, guys, and I'll see you guys when I'm back. Everything's moved out, guys. The whole room's done. Look at my parents' room. That's actually so sad. We're about to leave. It's about 10 o'clock at night. Let me show you guys the U-Haul and stuff. We found our old iPad and old TikToks. Haha. Wait, Dad, let me see your flashlight.
Help me for a second, Nix.
Hold on, Mom. Okay, this is what the U-Haul looks like. Let me not trip over this bridge. It's full to the brim. Loki kind of is. Yeah. We have to unload this all tonight. Dad, we have to unload this all tonight. That's crazy. Why'd you say that we had to give it back today?
What we'll do is back up the garage, boom, 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 just all goes in the garage. We don't have to put it away.
Except the food and stuff.
Except the refrigerator.
Except the mattresses, we'll put them in the room.
Yep, and we're gonna be sleeping on mattresses with nothing on it tonight. Baby, are you excited? Let's.
All right, I think we're good, guys.
I think we're about to leave. It's our last goodbye to the RV. You look so mystical, magical right now. So mystical. Goodbye, RV. Goodbye, RV. Hello, house.
Did you?
Wait, let's do one last look inside. Okay, first time ever seeing the house. Look at the garage. Oh my gosh. Wait, Roxy, are you ready? I can't open it. Oh my god. Where are you going?
Look at Roxy.
Where are you going? Go. Where are you going? Gosh, these are the rooms.
Roxy, where are you?
Look at Wait, I think this is my room. We already mapped out the rooms. This is my room, Roxy! Oh my gosh, wait guys, this is my room. This is my room. Wait, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so nice and big. Where are we? I'm so excited, guys. I'll do a whole proper tour and everything, but we have to load all of our stuff in right now. So yeah, it's the next day. We got a good night's sleep, but before I show you the house, we are going out to run at a bunch of stores so we can get all of our room decor. This is how our garage is looking right now. Yeah, so we gotta go run and get all of our room decor, and that's where we're gonna go right now. We have like IKEA, Home Goods, I don't know, a lot of places. First stop of the trip is the mall. We just got to the mall, and I think we're going to Lovesac first, right? I'ma drop a Lovesac on you. No, we're gonna go to Lovesac, and because I don't know if I showed you guys, but the thing of our couch right now, it's not the best, not the best. I kind of like this mall. There's like a boat in the middle of it. Is this our main mall that we could go to every time? We're gonna go look at our couches. Every time we go to the mall, we find my boyfriend's cologne and we put it on us. We should get that for our new house. But we find my boyfriend's cologne and we spray it all over us.
Wait, where's Mom?
I don't know.
Love that.
If you've ever been to the mall, you know that you have to stop at Auntie Anne's. I got these because I didn't eat breakfast or lunch. What'd you get?
Shot you so tall.
What'd you get? Stop! What did you get? He got a pretzel.
I got cinnamon pretzel and cinnamon pretzels.
Yeah. Next stop is Lovesac. Is this where we're getting our couch from?
I don't know.
What was that? Skylar just took it apart, but that was our couch. That's that. And then this is the fabric that we'll probably use. Can we get some of those too?
Yeah, heck yeah.
That's super cool. I think we low-key just found our couch. Did we find our couch?
I think we might.
Historical moment. This is where we got our couch, guys. So anybody asked to watch this video. We just finished up at the mall. We are definitely getting that Lovesac, guys. So like that's in later videos. Also that parking garage number is 67. 67. Right now we're going to Home Goods. I have a whole list. I'll like show you guys in a second. But that's my whole list on stuff that I need to get today. So it's kind of unpractical, some of the stuff. Like, what is it? Like lighters and stuff that I want to bedazzle and put in a martini glass. But I'm still getting it. Okay, Justin. Now it's been a couple of days. I'm so sorry, guys, because this video is a little bit late. You can kind of see that my room is done. We're moving in. Everything is coming along, kind of. But anyways, the next video is going to be a full-on house tour, and I'm literally about to sit down to edit this video right now. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Can't believe we're moved into the house now. Bye, everybody.